In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Grubhub gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly which options to choose, what information to enter, and how to complete your purchase smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser on your phone or computer and head to grubhub.com/giftcards. This is the official gift card page, so it's the best place to begin. Once the page loads, look for the Buy a Gift Card button and give it a tap or a click. That takes you directly into the purchasing flow. Next, choose whether you want a digital gift card sent by email or a physical card that's mailed. Digital is great for instant or last-minute gifts and usually arrives within minutes, while physical cards are perfect if you want something to hand over but take longer due to shipping. Pick the option that fits your timeline. Now enter the details. Add the recipient's name, your name as the sender, and include a short optional message if you want to personalize it. Keep the message clear and friendly. This is what shows up with the gift. Choose the card value. You'll see preset amounts, and depending on the site's current options, you may be able to enter a custom value within a range, often from around $10 to $500. Select an amount that matches your budget and the occasion. Pick a card style or theme to match the vibe of your gift. This is purely cosmetic, but it adds a nice touch. Add the delivery information next. For digital, carefully type the recipient's email address and double-check for typos. Email delivery depends on this being exact. For physical cards, enter the full shipping address, including apartment or unit numbers. If there are delivery speed choices, review the time frame and any shipping costs before continuing. When you reach payment, choose the method that works for you, typically a debit card, credit card, or PayPal if it's available in your region. Enter your payment details securely. Before you pay, take a moment to review the order summary. Confirm the recipient name, your message, the amount, the delivery method, and the email or mailing address. Click Place Order or Pay Now to finalize. You should see a confirmation on screen and receive an email receipt. If you bought a digital card, the recipient will get an email with their gift card. Have them check spam or promotions if it doesn't appear right away. If you chose a physical card, watch for shipping updates and allow time for delivery. That's it. You've successfully purchased a Grubhub gift card. Enjoy gifting and happy ordering.